Hello there, this is Srini from CloudChoice again, and today we are going to talk about an interesting new release called Omniroute by FreshDesk. Now, while omni-channel support has grown tremendously in helping customers get in touch with the businesses easily, the real problem comes in when you have too much of a load on your agent's shoulders and they are searching for ways to tackle it. Now, with Omniroute, your support agents will be able to exactly determine and control the load for each and every agent inside the system. And with some interesting rules, it just takes your support to a whole new level. Now, before getting into the details of how Omniroute works, a couple of facts there for you, right? We have noticed that about 95% of all customers have at least used an average of 3 platforms to get in touch with a business. Right? About 41% of them want more options for a business to deliver in terms of support. With all these factors in mind, let me quickly jump into how Omniroute works now. With Omniroute, you will be able to manage all your workload across multiple support channels from this single window, right? Now you will see that you have channels, assignment load, and conditions here. Now the channels are ideally going to be the place where you will be integrating all your channels here. You can see that I have brought in and integrated my emails. I've brought in my Twitter and my Facebook channels as well. And I've also kind of integrated Fresh Chat and my Fresh Caller system. Now, once you are done with that, clicking on the assignment load brings you to this tab where you will be able to set a standard threshold value for all your agents in the help desk. Now you will see here that I have set a threshold value of 10, a call of 1 call and 3 chats here, right? Now you can either kind of tweak with this, or you can actually kind of deep dive and ensure that at the times when you have the maximum traffic in your system, you will be able to boil and down on your agents and work with them in terms of personalizing their threshold value. Now, what this happens is that when you have your traffic flood in through those rush hours, you will be exactly ready to make sure that your agents are ready to handle these inquiries, but are not overloaded at the same time. Right now, you will be able to do the exact same thing for the phone calls and the chat section here as well. And once you are done with that, you simply save the changes and you're good to go. Right? And let's just say, for example, what Omniroute also does best is that when I click into conditions here, you will notice that I have the option that when an agent gets on a call, there will not be any kind of tickets or chats assigned to him. Right? Now, this makes sure that your agents are completely focused on the requests of that particular customer. At the same time, they are not overwhelmed by the tasks that they need to do after that. Right? In short, I guess this brand new feature from FreshDesk is going to revolutionize the way businesses look at customer inquiries, look at wanting to spread their platforms to customers, and also look at how easily this can be managed inside the system. For more inquiries, simply write to us at support@CloudChoice, and we will be happy to help you. Until next time, this is Srini signing off, guys. Thank you.